Go.
Hi, I'm Kassie L, a writer at the team here at Pablo OS, and today I'm going to show you how to install Pablo OS.
Something else to say.
This is a PowerPoint OS. It's just like something on YouTube. I have my own OS experience. This is the first screen to Pablo OS. You're supposed to choose, here you can choose the language you speak, English, Spanish, or CAT. I chose English. Next it asks if you have a Pablo account. For now, we'll say no. And we would like to get an account now. You're going to enter your name here.
We'll pretend. Oh wait, hold on for a minute. Pause.
So as you can see, I've entered my name here. Next, now I've entered my username. An example is cassie.cat006@pablo-os.com.
You could say, how about you say, if it gets uppercase, don't worry.
If it gets to be uppercase, don't worry. It just still will work.
Just click next, but all the time it'll be lowercase sometimes. Sometimes it'll be uppercase.
Now I'll click next. And we should enter a password. Now I've entered my password.
Don't tell them your password.
I won't tell you my password, but you can see I've entered it here.
With stars. Click next.
This is the recovery information. If you forget your information 20 times, you now need to enter information in case you lose it. You would type in your username, so I put in mine, cassie.cat.
Oh, it already did automatically.
At pabloos.com, and I will enter my password again, but don't look.
But it's going to be different.
It will be in the star.
I'm getting light bulbs.
Now you can see that I've entered my password. Now we have to read the Pablo account terms of service.
But click next if you don't want to read.
For right now, we'll click next. It's detecting.
Click stop.
And now we're going to click stop so it can create our account because we don't want to find our location.
It takes a long time to create your account. So sit back there and relax.
Welcome to Pablo OS.
Now please choose your partition. Click on that one.
Partition A
Then install
selected.
Pablo OS. Now it's going to be installing Pablo programs. Go ahead. Takes a long time for this one. Solving problems. Preparing to restart. Restarting your computer. Now just wait for a moment.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Starting Pablo OS.
There's a transition with the picture to appear. A picture of Pablo. You will see that it says starting second part is set up.
An exciting new cat look. The all-new OS, Pablo OS. You are welcome to use Pablo OS for the first time. Please sit back and relax while Pablo OS installs. Screenline design, colorful screens, a cat who opened this operating system. You'll love Pablo OS while you're waiting. Watch what happens.
User created for Pablo OS.
Please enter your username and please type in a password.
By continuing, you're going to agree to Pablo OS terms of service. Record.
I have now entered my username and password, and by continuing and clicking on next, I agree to the Pablo OS terms of service.
Please choose a picture. Type your product key. The product key is required because you need to activate Pablo OS within 45 days or it will stop working immediately, quickly.
Most product keys have 25 number or letters in there.
But if you choose skip, you're going to get a warning. Let's click on it. You get this warning if you click skip.
You need to activate your copy of Pablo OS or it will stop working. You have 45 days left to activate. Are you sure you wish to proceed?
Click yes.
For now, I will click yes. And I will set up a network.
Click on yours. Click connect.
Perfect.
As well, Kassie Wi-Fi didn't need a password because Pablo OS automatically did it. If it's your username included with that thing, that means it's going to connect to it automatically, and there's no lock key there. If you have the next version, click Next. The screen is now going black.
Starting Pablo OS.
Now we are going back to the setup. And we can see now it's saying restarting your computer. Just wait for a moment.
I'll click Start Pablo OS.
And you get this warning if you're using this. Click on your user account. At least if it requires to put in cat, that means you like cats. Sometimes it likes to detect that. The password is automatically saved, and the computer is now set up and now ready for your use. Let's shut down the computer. We are back in the setup now.
Thank you for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you soon.
Say bye.
Bye.